Hello and welcome everyone to our special number building workshop. Today, we're going to be master builders, but instead of wood or bricks, we're going to use numbers.
So I need you to put on your thinking caps and get those builder brains ready. Are you ready to build some really big and amazing numbers with me? Awesome. Let's get to it. Every great builder needs a good set of tools, right? Well, in our workshop, we have 3 super special building blocks that are going to help us build any number we can possibly imagine. So let's meet them. Okay, our first and smallest tool is what we call the small box. It's pretty tiny, but trust me, it is super important. Every single small box is worth exactly 1. And there it is. See it right there? It's just a single little cube. So whenever you see the number 1 in the ones place, you'll need one of these. Pretty simple, right? All right, next up is tool number 2. Now, if you take 10 of those small boxes and stack them all up in a row, you get this, the long stick. And since it's made of 10 small boxes, well, it's worth 10. Take a look at that. It's a really fast way to count to 10. So instead of counting 10 little boxes one by one, you can just grab one long stick. We call this our tens block because, well, it's worth 10. And now for our biggest, most powerful tool. If you take 10 of those long sticks and line them up side by side, you get this giant, big box. So can you guess how much it's worth? You got it. It's worth 100. Wow. See? It's this huge square made of 10 long sticks all put together. This is our hundreds block, and it helps us build really big numbers, really, really fast. All right, builders, you've met all your tools, so it is time for our very first project. Our blueprint says we need to build the number 101. Let's do it step by step. Okay, first thing, let's look at the number 101. That very first digit is a 1, and that's in the hundreds place. So that tells us we need exactly one big box. Let's grab one of those. Now let's check out the middle digit. See that? It's a 0, and that middle spot is for our tens. Our long sticks. So if the number is 0, how many long sticks do we need? That's right, 0. We don't need any at all. Ha! That was an easy step. And finally, we look at the very last digit. It's a 1. This is the ones place, and that's for our small boxes. So we just need to grab one small box. And ta-da! Here's our finished project. We put them all together. One big box for the hundreds and one small box for the ones. So what did we build? 101. Great job on our very first build.
That was awesome. You're a natural at this. Let's move on to our next blueprint. This time, we're going to build the number 102, and I'm definitely going to need your help with this one.
Okay, team, look at the number 102. Let's start with that first spot, the hundreds place. How many big boxes do you think we need? Go on, have a think. Did you say one big box? You totally got it. The 1 in the hundreds place means we need one big box. Now that middle number's a 0, so no long sticks for us. But what about the last number, the 2? Yep, we need 2 small boxes for the ones place. And there it is, one big box and 2 little small boxes. Together, that makes 102. Amazing work. We make a great building team. You've learned so much. I think you're ready for the final challenge. Now, if you can complete this next blueprint, you will officially become a master number builder. Your mission is to build the number 111. Okay, think carefully now. Look at the number 111. First question, how many big boxes do you need for that hundreds place? Next up, how many long sticks for the tens place? And last one, how many small boxes for the ones place? You got your answer ready? Are you sure about it? Okay. Get ready. Let's check the blueprint and see the final build. Yes, you did it. For 111, you need one of everything. One big box, one long stick, and one small box. That is absolutely 100% correct. Fantastic job. Congratulations! You passed the final challenge with flying colors. You are now an official, certified master number builder. You've learned how to use all the tools to build some really big numbers. Let's just look at our builder's guide one last time. Just remember, the big box is worth 100, the long stick is worth 10, and the little small box is worth 1. With these 3 tools, you can build just about any number you can dream up. You have done such an incredible job today in our workshop. Now that you know all the secrets of the big box, the long stick, and the small box, I just have one last question for you. What amazing number are you going to build next?